If the buyers purchased this machine head before, they can only purchase the machine base for replacing. Easier to retrofit than rival models, and the desktop design allows for easy mobility. Stable card feeding, without problem for card position running out. Machine operation. While loading card, please place the card to the slot device first. Rotating the device gear, move the device to fit the slot with the card. After placing the cards, push to make the cards fit the slot, and the cards are movable. Start the machine to feed the cards to the folding device for folding the cards. The distance between the first card crease and the clip is within 3 mm, making sure the card is folded according to the crease while folding. As the picture, if the crease deviation between folding and pressing is too much, the slot needs to be readjusted. The adjusting is according to the distance between to crease after testing. If the pressing crease is under the card crease, move the slot ahead. If the pressing crease is on the top of card crease, move the slot backwards. After adjusting the card slot, start the machine, move the card to the tagging position. Adjust card feeding to tag. The two sides of the card fit to the two tops of the card feeding. Adjusting detail, take off the T-screws. Move the iron block, let the iron block fits to the card, reload the screws. Adjusting another side, loosen the bottom T-screws to move the cylinder. Adjusting the distance after stretching out the cylinder. Move to fit the card margin, reload the screws to finish card adjusting. While adjusting the machine base, take off the first screws of the machine head bottom first. The empty position of the machine head keeps 120 mm from the base. The machine height is measured 119 mm. Deepen the washer on the bottom of machine head to reach 120 mm high. The 4 iron block fit to the machine head fixation hole. To fix the machine head with base, the hole under the machine head across to the cylinder. Twist the screw knot to tight. Move the machine head to let the needle align this hole to twist the screw tight. Check if the needle is shifting or not while twisting. If the needle is shifted, align again. Fix the machine head. Fix the black pipe connector to the cylinder. Then fix the sensor to the cylinder tail. Rotate the air pipe connector tight with small wrench to connect the blue air pipe. Fix the iron block to this position with screw. Fix the big iron block after cross the cylinder, then lock with big screw. After fixation, insert the power adapter to the machine. Solenoid valve takes place here vertically. Align the hole to the hole of the base. Twist tight the screws. Across the barometer to this iron block, fix the barometer with this red part. Connect the red pipe to the solenoid valve. Black bottom plate takes place to this position, aligns to the hole, fixed by screws. Turn on the power but don't turn on the air. Push this cylinder to the end manually. When the cylinder is contracting, move the sensor position to keep the light on, then fix the sensor.